This is story about me, about women who find love, and it's story about all of us because we meet problem like this personage. And I like black and white colors and some strange music in my movie. I I told a lot about my movie today in the conversation and when I present my movie. And now I want to tell something new. But I don't know what I should tell. You should just see my movie and think about your life. That's it.